Managing PPC budgets in Vendasta is easier than you might think. If you've been struggling to get a handle on your PPC campaigns and optimize your budget efficiently, you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end, and I'll not only show you how to master this, but I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software that will help you manage all of this and more. Now, let's dive in. First, you want to make sure you have access to the right tools within Vendasta. Vendasta gives you a centralized platform to manage PPC campaigns, and understanding where everything is can save you tons of time. The first thing you'll do is log into your Vendasta dashboard. Once you're there, look for the PPC Management section. The second thing you'll do is add a new campaign. When you're in the PPC Management section, click the Create New Campaign button. You'll then be prompted to input your basic campaign details, including your budget, targeted audience, and the type of ad campaign you're running. Vendasta allows you to set daily or lifetime budgets based on your goals, which means you're always in control. Next thing, you'll want to set up your bidding strategy. Vendasta offers several options, including automated bidding and manual bidding. With automated bidding, Vendasta will adjust your bids based on performance, helping you stay within budget while still maximizing results. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, manual bidding lets you set your bids for each keyword. Now, let's talk about tracking and adjusting your budget. As you monitor your campaign, you'll see how much you're spending and where it's going. Vendasta provides real-time insights, so you can make adjustments to your PPC budget without waiting for reports. You can increase or decrease your budget based on campaign performance, helping you ensure you're spending your money wisely. The fourth thing is optimization. You want to continually refine your PPC strategy to ensure you're not overspending and that your ads are targeting the right audience. Use the data Vendasta provides to optimize your keyword selection and adjust your targeting. With Vendasta, you'll be able to analyze which ads are performing well and which aren't, allowing you to fine-tune your budget allocation. Next, let's talk about reporting. Vendasta offers detailed reports that show your cost per click, click-through rates, and conversion data, which are crucial for understanding how your PPC budget is being spent. These reports make it easy to see what's working and what isn't, giving you the ability to quickly adjust your strategy if needed. The last thing I'll mention is the ability to manage multiple accounts. If you're running PPC campaigns for more than one business or client, Vendasta's platform lets you manage them all in one place. This centralization saves you a lot of time, especially if you're handling large budgets. And here's the best part. Through the link below, you can access this software for free with our exclusive bonus. That's right, you can start using Vendasta today and take advantage of their powerful PPC management features without any risk. If you've been wondering how to manage your PPC budgets effectively, I hope this video helped clear things up. Remember, with Vendasta, you've got everything you need to keep your PPC campaigns under control, optimized, and running smoothly. Be sure to grab that extended free trial and start managing your PPC budgets like a pro today.